Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 Mid-Level 1 Inventory. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLabIT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is a title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 mid-level 1 inventory. Here is a project description. You are the inventory manager for local hardware store. Currently, you have inventory data stored in several different files. You want to create a supplier report based on quantity on hand and inventory value. You also want to use Power Maps to create a geospatial visualization of the data. There is a project description. You can also read it carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 10 mid-level 1 inventory. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this workbook from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is use get and transform to import the suppliers table from the 10M1 suppliers database file. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model at import. Basically in this question you will have to load the database file from PC to this Excel worksheet. You will go to the data tab and click on get data from databases, then click on Microsoft Access. The database file are exist in my documents folder or C drive. Click on this file. I have already downloaded from my IT Lab dashboard. Here are table in this database file suppliers. Click on suppliers and load. Wait for data loading. Now data are loaded successfully in the worksheet. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. In the Power Pivot, simply you will have to add this data into the data model. In the previous question, question number 2, data are added into the data model. In this data there are different columns: supplier number, supplier name, street address, city, state, zip code, and others columns. Our next question is question number 3. Use get and transform to import the E10 inventory.txt file. Ensure the table is loaded to the data model at import. This question is same like question number 2. You will have to get and transform the file in E10 inventory.txt into Excel worksheet. Simply you will go to the data tab, get data from text and CSV, and load this file E10 inventory. This one, then click OK. All the data are loading. Wait for a second. As you can see that there is a table, and click on load button to load this data in the worksheet. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is use get and transform import E10 M1 orders.txt file. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model at import. This question is same like question number 2 and 3. You will have to get the data and then transform into the worksheet. Simply you will go to the data tab, then load this data. This file is, and click OK. Wait for a second. Data are loading. Here is a table, then click on the load button. The data are loaded into the new worksheet. You will have to select this data, then go to the Power Pivot and add this data to the data model. The data are added successfully to the data model. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is same like question number 4. Use and get transform to import the E10 M1 order details file. Ensure all tables are loaded to the data model at import. In this question, you will have to import this file into the Excel worksheet. This file I have already downloaded from MyLabIT dashboard. Simply you will have to get this file and then import into the worksheet. Then you will go to the data tab and click on the get data and the workbook or a text CSV file. This file is, click on this, wait for a second. Data are now loading. Click on the order details. Here is a table that exists in this data. Then load this data. As you can see that the data are now loaded into the new worksheet order details. Simply add this data into the data model, same like the previous questions. Then you will go to the Power Pivot and add this data into the data model. First we select this data, then go to the Power Pivot and add to the data model. Data are added into the data model. Simply you go to the data model. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is create a relationship between the suppliers the table suppliers number field and the E10 M1 inventory table supplier number field. In this question you will have to create a relationship between these two tables. Select these ranges. Then create a relationship. Relationship between the suppliers table supplier number field supplier table supplier name and the next is E10 inventory table. E10 inventory table, select this and the supplier number, then press OK. Relationship are created successfully between these two tables. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is create a relationship between the order details table product number field and the E10 inventory table product. Click on new table, this one, select this and the select this table and the number field, select this and the number field, then press OK. The relationship are created between these two tables. Our next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is create a relationship between order table order ID field and the order detail table order ID field. Click on new, create a relationship between these two tables, order details, then order ID. Then the second is one is order details table, order ID field, order details table. First we order details table, this one, and the order ID. Question number 8 are completed. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLabIT, MyLab Accountant, MyLab Finance, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.